Welcome. In front of me I have the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2, and I will go over unboxing of this just so we can get a look at how this looks like and what comes with the device. Or headphones. Now, I did place somewhere my little knife, which I have no idea where. Oh, there we go, found it. So let's just pop it open. We do have a couple little info right here at the back. So we do have IP54 rating, rated dust and water resistant. Now we do have a little asterisk right here. So where do I get the asterisk notification? Probably in a book. Oh no, there it is. Rating applies to a earphones only and not. Okay, so the actual headset, the earbuds that you have are water resistant, but the case no. So okay, intelligent dynamic active noise cancelling. Okay, so we do have noise cancelling as you would expect. The previous version of them did have it as well. Dual device connections, that's actually pretty neat. So you can connect two devices at the same time and utilize it, for instance, with your computer and your phone at the same time. Crystal call here and whatever, just some bogus dual speak. No way. That actually surprises me. So apparently it has dual speaker premium sound. Now I'm not sure if they're considering dual speaker as in 1 and 2 or dual speaker as in 1, 2, 3, 4. For instance, like if you ever looked at it, Soundpeats is one of the companies that has dual drivers in their buds, and they sound phenomenal because of it. So if this has one of those products that has dual drivers, ooh, that would be so good. That way one of the drivers can, for instance, be in charge of low frequencies, and the other one be in charge for high frequencies, giving you super crispy, punchy bass, but also super clear sound of like vocals and other sounds. So that would be fantastic if it has actually like dual drivers per headphone instead of like just general. Okay, and some more bogus. Anyway, let me just pop it open. Okay, so there we go. Now I'll mention these earbuds do feel really light, lighter than I expected. So that's would be obviously a positive. The design of this, obviously love it or hate it. If you like the stamps, then it looks pretty neat. I do like the design, I just don't like I guess how it looks like in the ear, though just outside of the ear they look actually pretty nice. Now let's actually quickly connect them and see what kind of sound. Now I'm gonna play some music and just place it right next to the microphone. Don't expect too great of an outcome from this, but it might give you just a little bit of an insight on how they sound, hopefully. It won't be obviously representative of what you might want to, what you should expect from them, because obviously they will sound way better when they're inside of an ear with a closed seal around your ear, rather than like what they will sound at probably max volume placed openly next to a microphone. I am looking on how I can connect them, but it doesn't really show up right here. Is there like a pairing button somewhere? Oh, there we go. They just showed up. Okay, now let's find some no copyright music. Nope, that's going to the phone. Let's just take these out. So I'm gonna place them, actually before I do place them, I'm gonna take off the pop filter, just so you might have a better sound from it. And I can obviously place it closer to the microphone. Now brace yourself if there's gonna be some noise. So hopefully that was decent enough sound preview. Like I said, I don't have any idea how this will sound right now, so it might sound super bad through the microphone, and obviously there will be a lot of different factors that will change how these actually sound in reality compared to what you can hear through the microphone and whatever you're outputting that sound through. But still, there we go. That's basically the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.